So today I'm unboxing a shotgun mic to put on my mirrorless camera. I've got a Sony A7 IV that I'm using to shoot on right now actually. So simple unboxing, let's have a look. The reason I've purchased this was to just shoot some talking head videos for my freelance business. So I do content marketing and social media management, videography, photography. So I thought when I'm doing videography on the go, on site, and if I'm interviewing people, then I can use this shotgun mic instead of using something like this. So this is like a wireless mic, which is not too bad if I'm just doing one person sitting down, it's all set up. But if I'm going around an event and recording interviews, I thought, hey, let's get one of these. And also, I could potentially use it for one of my YouTube videos, or some of the YouTube videos going forward. Right, so let's come out the box. There's quite a few bits of packaging. Movo creators wanted. Oh, okay. Nothing else there. There's like, it's got these bits, but what does that mean? There's no call to action. There's no link or anything. QR code. Mastering your audio. Right, so this is the instructions. Open up your camera over the code. Okay, yeah, I'll do that in a bit. Instructions. You can put it on your smartphone, tablet, or Mac. Oh, that'll be quite handy. Put it on the Mac. Right, so that's all the bits, parts. Right. Let's get to just a quick setup guide, and here it is. I didn't realize it comes with, because on the box it's just that, but I didn't realize it comes with this massive what do you call it? What do you even call it? Oh, I hope I'm not breaking it. No. Okay, let's leave it. Let's leave that as it is. Some wires. So hopefully one of these allows me to connect to the Sony cam. So it's got a little mobile symbol on there actually, so that would be for the phone. And I'm guessing then this is for the DSLR. I keep saying DSLR, but it's a full mirrorless camera. And then these are the attachments for the camera. So yeah, it's got this will fit into the hot shoe of the camera. Right. Fab. And I'm guessing this can't come off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so just screw it in. So that's the mic. You could use it without this bit. Which why is it escaping me? I know what it is. I just can't name it now. But it stopped like wind noise, wind tunnel noise, pops, things like that. Let's put that back in. Oh, how do you do this? There we go. Okay, and then guessing this snaps on right there. Oh, fab. So here's a different one. So I'm not sure why this one is different. Oh, maybe this one's like a mobile attachment. I'll have to discover that later on. Right, let's just get rid of some of these bits and bobs. And I'm going to bring in my other Sony camera. It's A7 III. So I do love my Alpha series cameras. Right, okay, let's pop this on. Okay, there we go. And then I believe, looks like this is the correct one to put in. And then let's have a look. That's the headphone jack. Looking for the, oh, what is it? Oh, here we go. Here it is, the mic. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Look at that. It looks quite big. It's bigger than I expected. Yeah, look at that. Nice, nice. I guess that's it. Mounting. Don't need to do anything else. Oh, you could mount it on a tripod as well. Doesn't come with that. Yeah. Right, there we go. Little shotgun mic. I'm gonna give it a little test, and actually want to use it on my next YouTube video and test it out.